Today, we're going over how to import media into Filmora, whether it's videos, images, or music. Let's jump right in. When you open Filmora, you'll see the media panel on the top left. This is where all your imported files will be stored for editing. To add your media, click on the Import Media button and choose Import Media Files to browse your computer for videos, images, or music. Select the files you need and click Open to bring them into Filmora. If you want to import multiple files at once, hold down the Ctrl key or Command on Mac while selecting your clips. You can also drag and drop files directly into the media panel for a faster workflow. For easy organization, you can create folders by clicking the Project Media and right-click and selecting Add a new folder. This helps keep different types of media separate and makes editing more efficient. Once your media is imported, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline to start editing. Videos go on the video track, images can be placed just like videos, and audio files automatically go into the audio track. And that's it. Now you know how to import media into Filmora and get started with your edits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.